Merry Christmas, Ace. Ace, Merry Christmas. Whoop. How's that? What are you doing, huh? Hey, get him. Go get him, buddy. Come on. Let's go show everybody what's going on. Merry Christmas, everybody. From Incredible Tiny Homes, Ace and I want to wish you guys a beautiful, merry, 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 merry Christmas! Look at here. Yep. Even though the Siberian frenzy Arctic freeze has buried itself from Canada to Mexico, we are going to celebrate Christmas. These lovely ladies that live here in this community has decorated, and I've allowed them to come into our big warehouse. We moved the houses out of the way. Look. We got a hay wagon here ready to take people on a caroling trip tonight. We got tables set up. Look at the lights, man. These ladies come here and decorated this place. I gave them as much room as I could. I've got the fire going. Come on, come here, Ace. Look at this. Look at the fire's going. I got a fan blowing over here. If you're scared of being cold, you better not be. Come on. What are we scared of? We're not scared of nothing. Look here, got one stove here. Look at, we got candles ready for tonight. They're gonna sing carols. We got the sawhorses decorated up with ribbons. Ugh. And then we've got food. Look at this, come on. Party starts in about 2 or 3 hours. Don't you stay home because you're cold. Make sure you get over here. Look at this. We got the wood stacked up. We got another stove going here. You all can just curl up against this stove and make yourself at home. All right, Ace, what do you think about it? Are you not going to celebrate Christmas, Ace? Oh, buddy, you want to celebrate Christmas? Look at you. You're just a sweet little fella. Come on. Look, we got this. And then we got this big old tarp. Now, this is a billboard that we hung up here, and I've got clamps. Look at them clamps to hold it together all the way up to the top. We have taken time. These ladies wanted to have a Christmas. Oop, got a hole. I got to patch that hole. Look, Ace, don't go out that hole. And we are ready for a Christmas party. These ladies wanted to have one. This is really our second annual Christmas party. Last year they had one down at Luann's house, the Christmas house. And there were about 19 people that showed up. And on this one, we had 100 RSVPs. And what I want to do is I'm bringing this video out mainly to our community residents. If they watch it, I don't know if they're probably bored with me anymore. They don't watch these. God, Ace, you are gorgeous. We gave Ace a little bit of a brushing today. He had a dry shampoo bath. Ain't that right, buddy? He likes getting next to the camera. And, but we're having a party. You know what? Just because it gets cold and just because we have some things happen and it changes the plan, doesn't mean that we don't go through with what we're going to do, right, Ace? You just put your head down and you barrel through it and you go. And it turns out better than you thought. I know, I'm not putting myself on here. I got to hold this phone myself. Here you guys go. There you go. I'm here. I'm real. I'm Randy Jones. And look at Ace. Look, if I lift him in here, he'd eat all their sandwiches, wouldn't you, buddy? Yep. So I want you guys to come to our Christmas party. If you want to show up, watch the ice. There's ice. It's dangerous here. You're never going to make it. You got to skin on your butt to slide in here. It's terrible here. Come on. Let's have a party. Everybody, I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes. We're having a Christmas party. We're bringing in the new year. And this is the 2022. Is it 22? 23, Ace. What year are we in, buddy? Yeah, 2022. I know what I'm talking about. And we're bringing in a Christmas. And we're not going to let anything hide it. I know we've got a lot of things going on in the world, and the Arctic freeze came here and made everybody shut into their home. You know what's good for you? It's good for a little bit of stress in your life. Make sure you get a little bit of cold and it's uncomfortable, but it makes you strong. All right? Ace, what do you think about it? I'm going to flip you back around. I'm sure you guys are sick. All right, that's all I got to say. If you're within 14 hours of here and you can make it in 3, please come. We're going to sing Christmas carols tonight. We're going to take this trailer out and we're going to hook it to something, I guess. And we're going to take it out of here and sing carols throughout the community. And if we don't do that, we're going to sit in here and sing carols to each other. All right? Well, I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes, and I just wanted to throw this quick little video out to the world. and say, this is what we're doing on Christmas Eve. So, sayonara, everybody. Sing a carol tonight, and what do you think, Ace? Beautiful. Say Merry Christmas. Look at his tail. Say Merry Christmas. Bye, everybody. I would sing a song, but we're going to save that for later. Have a good night. Thank you, guys. Hey, we'll be bringing you more videos later this evening. Bye.